My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Bpws. Bpws is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles, all sorts of files. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called BPWS may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then, after it gets injected, people might restart their computers, and then they suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware, BPWS, encrypts the files and considerably damages them. So very soon you see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. People will try to open their files, but because of this ransomware called BPWS, it will not be possible to use the files anymore. This special BPWS extension is now appended to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats from your device. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. First of all, the application should update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license to remove this ransomware fully and to protect your data in the future. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to prevent any further ransomware attacks.